Vishwa Sutras, Universal Principles for Success.
जय देव जय मंगलमूर्ति हो श्री मंगलमूर्ति दर्शन मात्रे माने स्मरणे मात्रे माने कामना पूर्ति जय देव जय.
This is Vishwas Savan. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi. Across the globe, devotees of Lord Ganesha worship Lord Ganesha during these 10 days. Especially in the Maharashtra region of India, it's a big social festival where in majority of the houses at the community nooks, Ganesh pandals are being erected and community puja is performed for Lord Ganesha. Lord Ganesha is a symbol of wealth, knowledge, prosperity, but most importantly is also a symbol of divine destroyer of obstacles. And therefore millions of his devotees worship Lord Ganesha and requests him to overcome obstacles that they are themselves moving through in their own life. Since my childhood, I always wonder if millions and millions of devotees continue to request Ganesha to overcome the obstacles in their own life, will Lord Ganesha will really get a time to fulfill everybody's wish? Or is it Lord Ganesha simply a metaphor where if you inculcate the spirit of Lord Ganesha, that is being a destroyer of obstacles, you can overcome obstacles in your own life? I believe that it is possible that you can be a troubleshooter for many obstacles in your own life, simply because obstacle in the first instance is what you perceive about your ability to walk on the path of success. If you feel that you are in a difficult situation or you will be in a difficult situation, you will land up in a difficult situation. If you feel that it is an easygoing route for you, you will be in an easygoing situation. So what we think about ourselves is majority of the time acts as an first obstacle in our path to success. Therefore, overcoming obstacles is also something we have control upon ourselves. More control we have on our thoughts, more we will be able to overcome the obstacles. Instead of blaming others for challenges in your own life, take on your own challenge yourself. If you are proactive, if you are positive, if you are ambitious, no matter what the challenges are thrown at you, you will be able to overcome them. And therefore, this year, when you worship Lord Ganesha, inculcate his spirit, a spirit of overcoming obstacles or destroying the negativity in yourself. And I'm sure you will then be able to overcome every obstacles. In my opinion, that will be a true tribute and true worship of Lord Ganesha. Have a great day.